Okay, sir. Right now, see, I have this. I have three tables. I go to get data. You see, get data here, right? You see, sir, from other sources. From other sources. You see, sir, blank query. You click on blank query. The new window is open, right? Click on blank query. New windows shows are here, right? That is called Power Query Editor. You see, right? Okay. That type. From other sources. Blank query. Okay, sir. I write a one formula here, right? I write one formula that is called DAX formula, right? Data analysis expressions, right? That is called DAX formula, Power Query. If you know this one, you can easily understand Power BI. Right? Power Query is part of your Power BI. Here also I'm using one command here, but latest version this command automatically comes, right? If you use 21 version and Excel 365, this command automatically comes, right? But if you use 16, you can care of case sensitive, right? If E capital, right? So in Power Query, case sensitive here. So I'm write formula here, sir. Equal sign E capital, right? Then can type Excel. Rest of things small, right? Not capital, only E capital. Type Excel dot C capital, right? Then you put here current. Then W capital, you can no space, right? Workbook. B capital. Then back and close. Excel dot, right? Dot. Then current.
C capital है
Right? Yes, C capital. Right, sir? C capital. Workbook W capital, right? And B not. B is small, right? B is small.
capital after current.
That's
space
yes. No space नहीं है.
है
Right? Space नहीं है ये.
Join
है. हाँ इसके साथ.
What is the meaning?
No space. Okay. I just write formula equal sign. I use latest version. I just type here EXCEL, right? Automatically this command comes, right? You see, sir, automatically my command comes Excel dot, but you don't have. 16 don't show. Right, sir? If the latest version 365, then this command automatically comes. Right, sir? So therefore you can same syntax. E capital, current C capital, workbook W capital. Then I use parenthesis start, parenthesis close. Right, sir? Then I put parenthesis start, parenthesis close. Enter. They pick my all tables in my workbook. You see? If you have 10 tables, then 10 tables come. Same meeting up, right? जब डॉक्टर पास आता है पेशेंट ठीक हो जाता है. Is okay, sir? You have latest? You have latest? One is there, right? Latest is what? 16? Okay, sir. Right now you see, if I have 10 tables, automatically all the 10 tables pick. Right? In this workbook, how many tables you have? Right? If I want to see data is there or no, I just click on this blank area. Automatically come data, right? That data shows. This data belongs to cleaning, right? Okay, sir? If I click on second one, this is a maintenance, right? Okay, sir? This is a blank area. You can put here, right? Cursor. Okay, sir? That step shows a source, right? You see source file. This is the source, right? If you file, you can change, right? Sometimes you file move another path. So you double click here, then you can change your path, right? If the file is, because file is same path, you can change the path also. But here the same path, right? Okay, sir, you put here query name. You see query 1. I put here append. Append are combined. You see, sir, here name query 1. You change the name append. You see, sir, here append. You see query 1 here. You can change the name append, enter, right? Here also change append. You see that shows the table on the left hand side. Append. Query 1 आ रहा होगा देखिए. Query 1 होगा ना. इसे चेक करो. रीड करो. हाँ इसको रीड करो. इसीलिए लिखिए append. Append. END. Append. Those be END. Append means addition of row. Okay, sir, append, right? I just press enter. You see name change, right? Here also. Okay? Oh. Is okay, sir? So I have 3 tables, right? Inside. I just query name, right? I just query name is append, right? Okay, sir, you can copy Control C. Right, sir? This is your append query. When the query run, my all tables are combined. The table all also created new one, right? When query run, the new table also come, right? right? I don't want to pick new. I want to pick my database only, right? So therefore, I want to this append. I go to filter button here. You see filter. Click on name. You see filter. You see sir text filter. You see does not contain. Does not contain. You see again sir. I click on the name. You see the filter button here. Filter button. Text filter. You see does not contain. Does not contain. I click here Control V, right? Control V means same query name, right? Same query names come append, right? Does not contains. I just copy paste, right? Append. Right. You firstly copy, right? You came here, firstly select, copy, Control C. Then I can select name. You see sir filter button. You see sir text filter. Last option there does not contain, right? Then can put Control V, right? Paste, right? Okay. So my next step is come, right? Filter row, right? Okay sir? How many steps I am doing? 2 steps. Okay sir? Okay sir, further you see sir here 2 arrow keys come, right? You see like this, right? You click on these 2 arrows. My headings pick, right? You see sir here use original column name as prefix. You can uncheck this option, right? Otherwise, then don't uncheck. What happens? They put prefix text, right? Automatically create. I don't want to create text. I want to pick original heading, right? What my original heading? Outlets, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, right? Then click OK. My all tables combine here, right? You see again. You see sir there 2 arrow keys. You click on 2 arrows. You see sir there option there, right? This one uncheck. Just click. This is uncheck, right? Don't click. Then click OK. So my data is come, right? Right sir? You can scroll, horizontal scroll here. You see this is my last column is my table, right? Cleaning, maintenance and catering, right? How many tables I have? 3. Right sir? Right? I just double click on name. This name is services, right? This column name is services. Enter. Yes. You see, next step automatically come, rename the column, right? Just change the name, right? Is okay sir? डबल क्लिक करेंगे इसको तो देखें इसको नाम चेंज किया तो इधर देखें मैसेज आ गया स्टेप में रीनेम, राइट? जो भी हम काम करते जाएंगे वो रिकॉर्ड होते जाएंगे, राइट? इज ओके सर? ओके सर, इफ यू वांट टू दिस कॉलम वांट टू मूव, राइट, आफ्टर आउटलेट, दैट इज कॉल्ड रीऑर्डर कॉलम, राइट? I just drag, right? Services move after outlet, right? I just move cursor here, right? So my first column is outlet, second column is services. So that is called reordered column, right? Okay, sir? Just column move, right? Column move after outlets, right? Okay, sir, this one is okay, but when you run the power query, right, your types is not properly picked. You see, when you create an Excel table, right, Excel database, you put date, right? So which type you can select? Short date format, right? Right. By default is general, right? If you want to comma, then comma format, right? If you give percentage, percentage format. Right? You can go to home tab, number group, right? You can choose the fields according to heading. You can see here also, Power Query doesn't understand what is this number or label, right? You click on ABC 1 to 3, right? You see here ABC 1 to 3. You click here, that shows types, right? Same number fields come, right? You can choose which data type, text, right? This is not number. You see here ABC. I click ABC, so my data type is correct, right? Okay, sir? This is okay, service ABC. This is number, right? Click on ABC, whole number. Don't have decimal, right? Same you can do here, right click, whole number. You see ABC, whole number, right? You can choose right here, ABC, whole number. ABC, whole number, right? You click ABC, whole number, right? Is okay, sir? I just click here, right? Because this is your numbers, right? Right, sir? I just correct my data type.
First and last all ABC, non-ABC.
1 to 3. First is ABC, first two columns, rest of 1 to 3. I click here, right? You see whole number?
All.
नहीं पहले को देखो, पहला कॉलम एबीसी होगा, दूसरा कॉलम भी एबीसी होगा, बाकी सारे कॉलम 1 2 3 होंगे, राइट? राइट सर, 1 to 3. Okay, sir. Okay, sir, right now you have here, right? These my numbers. I just move cursor here, right? You see my all numbers shows text and number. But this is all number, right? Okay, sir, how can do? Otherwise you can do one by one, right? Otherwise you can do one by one. Click ABC 1 to 3. Click ABC 1 to 3, right? Right now how many columns? 6, right? Where is my cursor is there? My cursor is W1, right? I just scroll, shift key hold, click W6. My all columns select, right? Shift key hold, click the last column. Right, sir? My all columns selected. Right, sir? Then I go to transform. You see in the top, transform. You see the transform. You see, sir, here deduct data type. You see here deduct data type, right? Deduct data type means automatically pick. Right? I click on deduct data type, automatically pick my numbers, convert into 1 to 3, right? All. पहले सेक्टर ट्रैक कर लिया, ट्रांसफॉर्म पे क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे देखें लिखा हुआ है सर डिडक्ट डाटा टाइप. नो नीड, ऑटोमेटिकली पिक अकॉर्डिंगली. राइट सर? हाँ, इसको क्लिक करेंगे, राइट? डिडक्ट डाटा टाइप. Okay, for example, you came here, sir. You see, sir, here, change data type. You see step here, right? You click here, change data type. I click. I remove, right? You cannot undo here, right? You just delete. I come back step. Right, sir? I come the back previous step, right? Okay, sir, right now how can change, right? Otherwise I do one by one. Otherwise I click here, 1 to 3. I click here, 1 to 3. अगर 1 to 3 है तो खुद ब खुद ही होगा, right? Is okay, sir? I just convert, right, into number 1 to 3. Otherwise I'm doing 1 by 1, right? बस ठीक है तो ट्रांसलेट नहीं होगा फिर
Transform.
वो खुद ही आपको बार बार basically this is your not tag number. I think here choose text, right? Then the place, right? This is your number, right? You get all the numbers. This text here is see that one, okay? Software, this is the this is W1, right? This is also to change, right? You can click here, 1, 3, right? Procedure here, 1, 3.
After the selection,
What is therefore already done, right? You don't already done, then what I do? I get what we do, right? For example, I don't have convert, right? Try to before here, right? You get convert into number altogether, right? Then I go to transform. Then I click on result together, right? Then I although you do it one by one, right? This is the one way you can do. Done, sir? Done, brother? Done, miss? लेकिन अब आपको क्या आ रहा है? आपको मंदिर में चला रहे हैं। और आपको कैसे करें? और धीरे धीरे करें। बहुत बहुत is okay, miss? Is good. Right, quantity one is Are you done, brother? Okay, sir. Right now I have W6, right, up to this one. Okay, sir. Sometimes I want to create a pivot table also, right? So I need 4 columns only, right? The first column is outlet. I need second column services. And their third column need weeks. Then in last column I need sales, right? I need 4 columns only. But right now how many columns you have? 8. So I need this much weeks and sales, right? I want to put like this one. This is my HIA, right? If I put HIA, that shows like this one, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. I put here, right, like this. Right? Each outlet I create here in front of each weeks. And randomly week the values, right? Before what I'm doing, transform, right? Before I'm doing the command is transform. Transpose, sorry, right? So transpose I'm doing, but here I cannot do. I just click all together. How can say W1 to W6? Shift key hold. Click W6. Right, sir? click on transform. You see transform? You see column is there, unpaved columns. You see?
Unpaved column. Okay.
Right? I click here, so my data is organized, right?
Again, unpaved column. Again, unpaved column.
You see, sir, here. Click on transform, unpaved column. Just click. Same like this, right? Before, right?
सर इधर भी ऑप्शन नहीं दे रहा
ट्रांसफॉर्म पे क्लिक करेंगे, देखें ट्रांसफॉर्म.
Yes.
You see, sir, unpaved columns. Unpaved columns here, right?
इधर में ऑप्शन नहीं दे रहा
That's how Okay, sir, this is one time exercise, right? This is one time exercise only, right? If you insert one or more tables, 10 tables, no need. Right, sir? This is one time exercise. Okay, that is the benefit of Power Query, right? It's okay? Okay, sir, can you double click here? They create attribute, right? What is this name? Weeks. Yes, right. This column name is weeks, right? Enter. You see here value sales, right? Double click on sales. Value convert sales, right? Okay, sir. So my data is okay. This is my text. This is my text. This is text, right? This is values, right? Okay, sir. Then I go to home tab. You see home here. You see, sir, here close and load. You see, sir, close and load. So my new tables come, right? Just click, right? So my all tables combine here, right? You see, my tables come, right? Is okay, sir? Done? Okay, sir. Right now, you see table name automatically come. What my table name is? Append. What is my query name? Append, right? Sheet name automatically come. You see? Right, sir? Sheet name is automatically come. What is the sheet name is? Combine, append, right? You can check on services. You see all tables are there. You see catering, right? Cleaning and maintenance. Right, sir? I have 3 tables, right? 3 data is there. Okay, sir, right now I need a one report, right? I want to combine all report before I bring summary sheet, right?
It's not for sheet in append. Showing sheet.
Don't be particularly named. No problem. You can just name it. There will be older versions that doesn't show that. 16 this one, right? Latest version already show. You are 65? Yes. Okay, miss? It's clear, sir, up to this one? Okay, sir, right now I want to create beautiful table, right? I need a report. You see my style, right? It's okay, sir. I come back on here. This is my table, right? Okay, sir. You press here Alt and VT. Alt and V. You see, sir, my cursor is here, right? Alt and V and T. You don't need some previous version only, no need. Right, sir? Alt and V T. You see pivot tables 1 and V only, right? And V is okay. Older version shows up to this, right? Latest version shows table also, right? T. Okay, sir? Alt and V T. No need T. Sometimes Alt and V is okay, right? You see some what my table is? Append, right? I need new worksheet, right? I click on new worksheet, click OK. So my pivot table is coming, right?
New worksheet, right?
Yes. So right now you see, sir, here outlet, services, weeks and sales. Okay, sir? Is it clear, miss? Firstly, click on services. my all tables names come, right? Right, sir? You see, sir, outlets? They pick my outlets here, right? Then they pick sales. My sales come, right? You see week. Week move to column. So my weekly sales come, right? So my all tables combined, right? You see again, I uncheck all, right? Okay. Firstly, click services. Which services I am giving? 3, right? 3 tables. What is the first table name is? Catering. What is the next? Cleaning. Third one is? Right? In which outlets I am giving, right? I click on outlets. They pick my client name, right? Right, sir? They pick my client names. This is weeks, sir. Weeks move in column. Right, sir? Weeks move in column. My column shows are here, right? You see the sales. I click on sales, so my amount is come, right? That is there, right? Is okay, sir? Is it clear, sir? This is my all tables data combined now, right? I have three tables data I want to present, only one report, right? Okay, what will bring this report, right? Okay, sir. This report is good because, right, I don't know what is row labels, right? This table is not good looking. I don't understand what is the table shows, right? So I have 3 layouts. Report layout. That is by default compact. Right? This is by default. This format is called compact. Second, outline. Third, tabular, right? Tabular, right? I have 3 report layouts, but by default, right, you have compact. How can correct? I go to design here. You see, there are 2 things, right? Pivot table analyze and design. I click on design. If you can choose style, you can choose style also. You can check here report layout. You see, sir, here report layout in the design.
सब सेलेक्ट कर दिया है इसमें टेबल ऐसा हो गया मुझे आप सब ये रिपोर्ट लेआउट का इंसर्ट में है क्या डिजाइन के बाद
Okay, sir. Report layout. You can choose option tabular. When you click on tabular, my table is correct, right? When I use show in tabular form, then my column heading show, right? You see what is the column name is services. What is the next column name is outlets. Next is the week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, right? Automatically picked, right? Before compact form, I don't know what is row label, what is column label, right? My table is not clear. Is okay, miss? And just right click on the number. You see the right click on the number. You see number format. There are 2 things, right? Format cells and number format. You click on number format. You see, sir, here accounting format. You see, sir, symbols. You see, sir, none. 0 decimal. Click on accounting. You see currency sign none. Decimal place is 0. Okay, sir, click OK. My commas are coming, right? Is it clear? So this is a table you can do it. Right click here. Right click. Just right click here. Number format. Symbols none. Zero decimal. Before you also do formats. Okay, then what is the beauty of the Power Query now, right? I have created one report, right?
सर ये हमारे बुक में है ये
हाँ, right? Is okay, sir? So right away append data, right? I need here, sir. This is a plus minus sign, no need, right? I go to pivot table analyze. You have analyze, right? Older version analyze. Latest version pivot table analyze. You see design and analyze, right? You analyze. You see sir buttons, plus minus button. Click button remove, right? You see button cannot show here. You see sir here. Here design. You see analyze. You see show button plus minus. I remove button, right? Plus minus button remove. Then my button remove, right? Okay sir, you just right click on services. Right click. You see sir here expand and collapse. You see sir expand and collapse. You see collapse. So my data summary report ready, right? My top sheet is ready, right? Is okay? When earthquake comes, building collapse, right? Is okay, sir? Or if you want to expand, if you need a detail, right? I'm just right click here. You see sir expand? Click on expand. Expand is coming, right? Is okay? Okay, so you press control tab. You press here control tab. Come back main sheet, right? Right sir? Control tab. I come back the previous one, right? Previous one, right? Control tab. Come back previous one. Okay sir? I come here, right? I need more data here, right? Wastage, right? You just right click. You see sir, move and copy. Create a copy. You click on this arrow. You see sir, which one there? Book 1, right? Right sir, book 1. At the end, right? Move and click OK. So this table also move here, right? Right sir? This table is also move my same working. Right sir? Okay, same copy there. Before I'm exercise, same. No, not new book. Book 1, right? 2, like this, right? You can choose book 1, book 2, right? Which one? Maybe you can check, right? All the sheets is there or no? Yes? No, existing. You see, with already the names there, right? Control tab again. You pick another service, others. You can, this one also copy, right? Before I copy wastage, right? Then I copy others. Right click, move and copy, create a copy. I click here, sir, book 1. Already I check, right? You said already is there, right? I click on end, click OK. So my 2 sheets come, right? Right, sir? 2 service, right? Okay, sir. 2 tables come. Before how many tables? 3. Right now how many tables? 5. Right, sir? Excluding append. Because I filter, right? Firstly, you can click here to check the table name. Go to table design. What is table name is? Wastage. You see, check first, right? This table is okay. If you copy the new table is there, this table name is okay, wastage. You can check also others. Right, sir? I just move 2 sheets here, right? I come back on append table. Do you see my append table here? Already append, right? Query table, right? Right click, refresh. Right click, refresh. automatically two tables come, right? You can check on services. This is also come, right?
Refresh. Refresh.
So this is the beauty, right? This is the beauty of things. Automatically refresh, right? When you go pivot, also refresh. No need to do same step you are doing, right? Because you already telling you can do this step, right? Okay. So this is the same. You can quickly done for right? You are doing only one time exercise. After this, no need. If you 50 sheets come, just refresh. Okay, sir. After this, create a report. This my report is there, right? Okay, sir. I need here slicer, right? I click on there. You see pivot table analyze. You see pivot table analyze. I click here, pivot table. You see pivot table analyze. Right, sir? You see insert slicer. Right?
From design.
Is okay? Okay, you can pick only slicer. I came here, go to analyze. You see insert slicer. I want to pick slicer, right? Two slicer, right? Outlet and services, right? Right, sir? That's okay. So I have two slicers coming here, right? You see? I have two slicer, right? First is your catering, second is your outlet, right? Is okay, sir? I just click here, go to analyze. You see insert slicer. I pick here, right? Outlet and services. Is okay? Okay, sir, I click on this slicer. You see, I click on this slicer. You see in the top slicer, slicer tool active. You see in the top slicer, I click on slicer. By default, how many columns? 1. You see, by default, how many columns? 1. You click on 2, my column shifted 2, right? Then I can size reduce. You see styles. So my styles come here, right? This first slicer styles come. Same here, right? You see, I select the second one, outlet. You see slicer. You see how many columns? 1, right? Click 2. That shows 2. Then I can reduce size here. You see, sir, here slicers, right? Orange, right? Can you put here, sir, slicer? So I have 2 slicer here, right? Okay. You can click on this slicer. Go to slicer here. You see here caption, right? Slicer caption. What's right here? Services, right? I just put here select services. Select services. Right, sir? I just change the name. Services, I put here select services. Enter. So that shows select services, right? I click second. You see such slicer. You see caption here, right? Outlets. I put before select. SELECT. Select outlets. Enter. So I have 2 slicers here, right? Good. Okay, sir. After slide, sir. Okay, sir. I want to see one more things are here in the top, right? I want to one more cursor. Alt IR. Alt IR is the shortcut key. Insert row, right? Alt IR. Right? Insert row, right? I write here, sir, double quotes, double quotation. I put here details of double quote close and sign join, right? And sign for joining. I pick on catering, right? A6. I put here double quotes, equal sign, double quotes, details of space and sign A6. यहाँ देखिएगा दोबारा, राइट? यू राइट फॉर्मूला इक्वल डबल कोट्स डिटेल्स ऑफ double quote quotes, then add sign. I click here catering, right? You see catering here? Enter, that shows here, right? Bold and bigger size. And give the color, right?
After any signs are put.
Yes, you see double quotes?
After the.
Done, sir? No, easy, sir. And I join, right? Join the cell, enter. Okay, you can do one more thing here. I come back grand total. You see grand total here? Right click. Grand total पे देखें. You see the grand total? Right click. Remove grand total. You see? Remove grand total. You click here, cleaning. You detail on cleaning only, right? You see? Heading change, right? If I click here, catering, right? I click here, maintenance, detail of maintenance. Formula is here. Is it clear, sir? So this is what you can do, create a very automatic. If you create a new service system, refresh, table ready, right? Okay, sir? If you add up 2 more tables, right? You just press refresh, that's done, right? Don't do all those steps I'm taking. Okay, sir, I need here, this is okay. But I need one more report, right? Create a dashboard, right? I want to see different sales.
Okay, basically another stuff doing it.
Here, don't show. This is done.
I think I have
Is okay? This one's clear? It's clear? Okay, sir, this is my details, right? I put here details report. Okay, sir, you can copy this sheet, right? Control, drag. This is called dashboard, right? I put here dashboard. Okay, sir, slicer and delete here. I create same copy, right? These are detail, I copy, same. I delete this one. I delete slicer. I don't need formula. I click here, right? Don't show my field list here, right? I right click here. You see, sir, here, show field list. To me, all fields come, uncheck all those options, right? And no need. I just pick here. This is my dashboard. Yes. I create right now dashboard. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The same copy.
I just made one new dashboard. That's
Right now I create here beautiful interactive dashboard reporting. Oh sir, I have this data. Okay. Okay, sir. Right now you have seen. Sometimes your outlet shows are here in the top, right? You can change. If you want to convenient like this top is okay. If you don't want to convenient, you can put all the fields here, right? So right now have only 4 columns, but sometimes very big database, then rows are not good, right? So then I go to tools option there. Right? You see, click on this setting. You see here sir tools. I choose option there, field, section and area section side by side. I choose second option, right? If I click this one, that shows like this. Right sir? This is the by default shows. If I click here side by side, to me all heading shows are here, right? It's better. You can pick easily, right? Filter, rows, column and this. Okay sir. I need a dashboard. Dashboard means I want to see weekly sales separate, outline sales separate, service sales separate. Right? I don't want to combine data. I want to see separate sales report. Okay. So firstly I click here, outlets and sales. That's it, right? So my first table is come, right? You can active this one grand total also, right? You go to design, you see grand total, you see on the column row only, so that's totals come right here. You see grand total, you see on for columns only, right? Okay, so my first table is ready, right? Okay sir, this was first table. Do you know sir how can put commas? Right click, number format, contain, none, 0 decimal, click OK. Okay sir, I first table is come right, outlets. Done sir? इसको run करना। Is it clear up to this one? Okay sir, when you update, right, in the pivot table when you update, automatically column width set, right? I don't want to set column width, because otherwise my dashboard are disturbed, right? I just right click on this table, right click. You see sir pivot table options. You see pivot table options? Right click on the here anywhere. You see pivot table options? You see here auto fit column width on update, right? This option unchecked. Right sir? Auto fit column width on update. I don't want. right sir? Click OK. I'm doing this one step. Another step, I'm giving this table name also, right? Pivot table name. I go to analyze, pivot table analyze. You see pivot table analyze? You see here pivot table 1, right? You just change the name is outlets. Pivot table 1, change the name outlets. Okay, sir? I just change the name table outlets, right? Is okay, sir? Enter. So this table name shows outlets, right? Is okay? Done, sir? You press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy. I come back after one row. You see, cursor is here, right? Firstly press Ctrl A, Ctrl C. After one row, enter only. So my new pivot tables come, right? Okay, sir. This is my second pivot. Then I can uncheck outlets, then services. So my next table is ready, right? So my next table is coming services, right? I just extract this one, Control A, copy, after move here, right? Enter. Then I can select here. You can uncheck outlets, click on services. Is okay? My services is coming, right? Otherwise you can put squeaks in center also, right? Okay, Control A, Control C. I move cursor here, enter. Right, sir? This is my services. I go to pivot table analyze. I give the name. This table name is services, right? And this table name is weeks. I click on weeks. Services unchecked. So my third table is weeks, right? So my third table is weeks. I just click on week, and then my pivot table name is weeks, right? This my pivot table name is weeks. How many tables I have? 3, right? So I have rename, right, sir? Each table are renamed. तो टेबल के नाम दे देंगे, just define the names. Okay sir, just define the name, right? Because name is important. Okay sir, right now this is my table here, right? Okay sir, what I am doing here, just this my weight column with reduce, right? C column. I just take all together here. I just give the color, right? Which color you like?
Pink.
Pink, grey, orange. Right sir? I just choose color, right? So this is my first. I just drag it here. I just choose also here, right? I just give the background color. See, you see like this one. I just select and give the color, right? Or you want to another color, you can do, right? Green color is okay. पिंक कर दें, चलें पिंक डाल देते हैं, ये लें सर, पिंक मुझे ले लेते हैं, ये लें पिंक ले लेते हैं, लें पिंक हो गया, राइट? आप खुश हो जाइए, लें सर, इसको सिलेक्ट कर लीजिए, is okay sir? So I have create a dashboard, right? I put a graph, I put on buttons, right? Now it's better. I just give color, right? Same technique I'm using. Okay, you came here, sir. Press Alt F1. Right, sir? You press here Alt F1. Graph come, right? Right, sir? Firstly, I set my table here. Alt F1. Okay, I just select this one. Alt F1, right? Graph is coming. Is okay, miss?
Jordan lost.
Jordan lost. Yes, firstly press a ray.
Yes.
Is okay, sir? So this is my first chart is coming, right? Okay, sir. On this the button is shows, right? If you create a pivot table chart, button also shows, right? I don't want to pick these buttons. I'm right click on the buttons. You see, sir, here hide all button on chart. Hide all buttons on chart. I click on this, my button move, right? Hide all buttons on chart. You see before, this here, right? Gray area. Just right click. You see hide all buttons on chart. All buttons on chart.
Okay.
Click. Okay, sir. Here values are very big, right? Okay. You see here values are very big. Double click. Double click on y-axis. You see that? Double click on y-axis. You see here display units. You see display units. I click on here thousands, right? So my values show in thousands.
Thousands, sir.
And
Thousands only.
I just double click on here. You see display units. I click here units, thousands, hundreds, millions. It's up to you, right? Okay, sir. Can you click bars? I select the bars. देखें इस पर डबल क्लिक करें. इधर देखें डिस्प्ले यूनिट आ रहा होगा. देखें इधर आ रहा लिखा हुआ डिस्प्ले यूनिट्स.
इधर नंबर का हाइड है
It's okay. I click on bar. Right, sir? Click on bar. Control 1.
सर डबल क्लिक मतलब तैयार होगा
Thousands करने. Right? Press Control 1. When you press Control 1, you see bucket is there, right? Bucket.
Bucket. Bucket.
Click on fill.
Field.
You see here vary color by point. You click on last option. तो मैं all bars color change, right?
again
You see again. I just click bar. Control 1. You see the bucket. You see fill. You see sir vary colors by points, right? Automatically my all bars filled, right? It's okay, sir? Okay, sir. Can you click on legends? You see, sir, my legend shows on the right hand side. Right, sir? I click on legends. Control 1 again. Right, sir? Control 1 again. You see where you want to see bottom, left, right? I click on bottom. So my legend shifted bottom, right? You see, sir, again. Before you see right hand side, right? Your legend shows are here, right? Okay, sir? You don't have legends? You click on this plus sign. You see here legends? If you click on legend, legend shows, right?
yes
Is okay, sir? Then click on legend. Control 1. Bottom, right? So my legends move to down, right? Then you can use Control Shift greater than sign. Control Shift greater than increase font size. You see? Control Shift greater than. Control Shift less than, right? Bold, right? Is okay? I click here, sir. Legend is coming. Coming, sir, legend.
डाउन आ गया सर
पहले हम सेलेक्ट करो फिर आएगा फिर क्लिक करो फिर पकड़ पे जाओ तो वेरी कलर पे जाओ तो कम control shift greater than less than that.
Control
Shift greater than and less than that. Possessive bar. Bar. You just see video, right? Also, it's okay, sir. Okay, sir. If you want to change the color, also you give the heading, right? Chart title. I click on the total here. Go to formula bar, equal sign. I give the reference of outlet here, right? My table heading, right, sir? My table heading is outlets. Enter. So my chart title shows outlets, right? You see chart title? Before I'm doing, right? Chart title link with my cell. Right, sir? Same. Click on chart title. I go to formula bar, equal sign. I give the reference of here, right? My table. Then enter. So my outlet shows are here, right? Do you know, sir, how can increase the size? Control shift greater than. Control shift greater than sign. Or you don't like here, you can drag out, right? Here. Title you want to move, right? Okay, sir? Is that clear? Another thing you want to do more, I click here, equal sign. I give the reference of total. You see reference total here, right? I just pick my total here. Automatically come get pivot table, right? I just click here, right? Equal sign. I pick the reference. Enter. The same values come here. You see? You see same values come, right? Get pivot table. Okay, later I will do. Okay, right now it's very simple. Okay. Later I will see. Okay, sir. I just click here, delete, right? You see, sir, design in the top. You see design. You see, sir, change color here, change color. You can move cursor, right? Automatically, which color you like, right? You like this, you like this color, you like this color, you like this color, right? You like this color. Right, sir? Or you want to change the style, you can choose style also. You see, like this, right? Like this, right? It's okay, sir? First chart is okay, done? Okay, sir, you click here, second table, right? Click on second table. Right, sir? What is the next table is? Services. Right? You press here, Alt and Q. R and Q. Right? R and Q. R and Q, you see pie chart, right? Donut chart, right sir? 3D pie chart. You see 3D pie chart? R and Q. You see sir? 3D pie chart. I click right. I remove this button, you know, right? Hide all buttons on chart. Legend you don't want. I just small size area. I just put right. I put here right. I put here right this one. Oh sir, can I link this cell, this chart title link with my cell equal sign? Services, right? Enter. To my services come right. Then I go to design. Then I choose option there, right? You see, first option right here. You see here this option. You can choose anyone here, here, here. Which option you want, right? You can choose option there, right? This is a color wise also. You can like this. You like this. Which one you like, right? As you like, you can get the values are there, right? Okay, sir? Okay, sir, can I pick here last one, right? Weeks. Okay, I pick here weeks, right? Okay, sir, you can click on insert. You see insert. You see here, sir, column chart. You see here bar chart. You see, sir, bar chart. I choose here bar chart or line chart as you like, right? If you like bar chart or line chart as you like. I came here line chart, line with marker. So my weekly sales come here. Hide all buttons. Double click. Thousands. I choose option from here, right? Design. If I choose here, maybe you want to don't like change chart type. Maybe pie chart, right? Pie chart, donut. To me, donut chart is coming. Are done?
Paano palabasin yun? Ayaw mabuka.
Is it clear, sir? Okay, sir, this is my, if I want to create a 3D chart, right? If I select this chart, go to change chart type. You see here, line chart 3D, right? I click on 3D chart like this, like this, like this, right? You see like this, right? So you can choose anyone, change chart type. I click here, to my chart here shows like this, right? You see. And also link from here, right? Chart title link, equal sign, weeks. Okay, sir. No is okay? Okay, I came here, right, sir? I click on my table. I go to pivot table analyze. You see insert slicer? You see insert slicer? I click insert slicer. I need outlet slicer, services, weeks. Right, sir? I pick 3 slicer. Right? Outlet, services, and weeks. Click OK. Then I can set here, right? Then I go to slicer, 2 columns. Then I move cursor here, right? You see, I settle here my buttons, right? Then I choose tiles. Same I can do here also, right? Slicer 2. Choose tiles, green. अब इसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे, राइट? 2 कॉलम्स कर दें, देखिए और स्टाइल ले लें इसका, राइट। और इसको उठा के इधर रख दें। देखिए आपको ब्यूटिशियन वर्क हो गया कभी? इंसर्ट स्लाइसर, म्यूजिक का स्लाइसर है, राइट। Okay sir, I have 3 slicer, right? Insert में slicer याद है ना, उसको सेट करो, ये करो पहले सेट ऑप्शन में दो कम करते हैं, दो कम उसको सेट करने देते हैं, हाँ तो आ जाएगा ना।
Okay, sir. Tomorrow we will continue.
Just finish. Only 2 minutes. Okay, sir. Right one is okay. I just select this one, sir. Right. Right click. You see, sir, report connection.
Report.
Connection.
Yes.
You click on report connection. You see my tables are here, right? Services, weeks. If you click this button, my all charts change, right? So this is my table name, right? My table change, that chart change, right? So this is called interactive dashboard reporting. I click here, outlet chart change, service chart change, and week chart change, right? I just click OK. Same you can do here also, right? Right click. Report connections. You can click here. You click here. Okay. Week chart. You do not convert connection, right? That shows only weeks. My weeks change. Rest of chart cannot change. Okay, sir. Then I click OK. Then I click here, right? Catering. Tell me all charts change, right? If I clear filter here, clear, right? What is the cleaning? Okay, sir. I click here, right? If I click on Hamad International, right? If I click HMC, right? Or you want to show multiples, then I click on this button, multiple selection, right? I click on multiples, then I click here, I click Musharraf, I click this, right? So I want to show only 3, right? Is okay? If you clear filter here, if I want to see only maintenance, that shows maintenance only, right? Or if you want to clear filter here, clear. Can you tell me if I click here week, only this chart change, rest of chart cannot change, right? You see? Only my week chart change, you see? If I press here, then control key hold, then click here, right? Week 4, week 6. So that shows only week 1, week 4, week 6, right? Right? First we click, then control hold, then click. Or sometimes you want to skip, right? You want to see these values cannot show. You firstly press control, right? You firstly press control, window 1 and window 6 cannot show. Rest of chart shows, right? You see week 2, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. If you press control first, right, then skip. First click, then control, then multiple. Or you want to transact it, shift key hold, right? Shift key hold and transact it. So this is the way you can create a chart. Okay, sir, if you create a very beautiful chart, then I can go to home tab, view, grid line off. I can choose from the back side. I choose from the back side. Right, sir? Press Ctrl C, copy. Right, sir? You press here Ctrl C, copy. Go to new sheet. View grid line off, right? First, move cursor here. Then go to home tab. You see paste option. You see link picture. I click on the link picture as the object is coming, right? I just reduce size. My dashboard like this, right? If you don't like this, then you can change the style. You want to show like this. You want to show like this. You want to show like this. This is better. That is for link picture. I don't use camera tool. Right, sir? Or if I change anything, you can change here in the dashboard. This also change. If I click here, this picture change, right? This picture also change. You see? कॉपी करने के बाद न्यू शीट पे जाना और वहाँ पे लिंक पिक्चर Okay, sir. I just delete, right? I go back that dashboard. Copy, right? Firstly, can select from the back side. I can came right here. I put in I just create one more row. Firstly, then you can easily write. You can pick all those things. Okay, I just select from the back side, right? Okay, just select the back side from the cell, right? Copy, Control C, right, sir? Control C, where you want, right? I go to plus sign. I want to here, right? New worksheet. I go to paste arrow. You see here link picture. So my link picture is coming, right? You see, sir, here. Or if you can crop also here, right? You see crop, right? You go to crop to shape. If you want to show in heart, you click on heart. So that shows in heart also.
Okay, sir, thank you.
No problem. If you see circle, right?
कतर जीत गया सर, कतर।
कल जीत गए?
हाँ, मतलब पाकिस्तान में नाम किया।
Yes, sir.
इससे उधर दर्शकों के लोग
expand collapse.
हाँ,
okay, sir? This one? Okay, mark my time. Is okay? Done? Okay, sir, this video lecture is available, right? Recording is also there. You can also upload there.